Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an HMV license in Gujarat. First, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements, including age and prior driving experience. Next, we'll cover the two main application methods, online through the Parivahan portal and offline at your local RTO. Finally, we'll discuss the necessary documents and what to expect during the driving test. To qualify for an HMV license in Gujarat, you must be at least 20 years old. It's also essential to have held a valid learner's license for heavy motor vehicles for a minimum of 30 days. Key documents include proof of age like a birth certificate or PAN card, proof of address such as an Aadhaar card or utility bill, and a medical certificate in Form 1A from a certified practitioner. You have two main ways to apply, online or offline. For online applications, visit the Parivahan SUA website, select Gujarat, and choose Apply for Driving License. Fill out the form, upload your documents, and pay the fees. If applying offline, visit your nearest RTO, collect the necessary forms, complete them, attach your documents, and submit them with the fee payment. After submitting your application, you'll need to pass both a learner's test covering rules and signs and a practical skill test on a heavy vehicle. Fees for an HMV license generally range from 600 to 1,000 rupees, excluding training costs. Once you pass, your smart card license will be delivered in about 30 to 45 days. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.